Our journey with GIEOM, why we select them. We at Al Masraf, first of all, we believe in partnerships. And we believe that modern technology is essential for any growing institution, especially in this new world of technology. Most of financial institutions or non-financial institutions have a headache related to documentation of processes, procedures, and keeping the hard copies, the inventory, the changes. Also onboarding. Through our search and through our investigation in the market about what could support us in our journey, we met with GIEOM, and honestly, it was a good first click. We see what they can offer for us. We see what they can offer from not only an SOP perspective, but from transformation. Transformation from manual, huge books and everything into a digital platform related to policies and procedures. We started with gathering our policies and procedures, and I can compare it with multi-systems or multi-ways of doing policies and procedures, process maps and all, multi-things, and how it's critical to do it for banks, and how easy you find it with GIEOM. Honestly, I was surprised in how fast we have implemented the project. More than 400, up to 600 procedures been documented in a very short time because of the flexibility of the tool and how we can evolve with the tool. Honestly, when we finished from implementing the first part from GIEOM as a system, we got sure. We make ourselves ready for the future. And GIEOM become a strategic partner for us in implementing the new core banking, which we have selected Temenos T24, by the way, for multi-reason, whether it is related to tutorial or related to onboarding. A lot of people, when they look at GIEOM, they look at SOPs. Actually, it's bigger than that. It is SOPs, onboarding, process map, training, testing. I can talk a lot about it. But the most important part, which we find it missing in most of the systems or the way we do policies and procedures, is if you change a certain part from a procedure, what will impact in the other areas of the bank or of the institution? Previously, we have to dig tool by tool, page by page, and it has taken a long time. Now with GIEOM, I just need to change that part and it will give me the alert. X policy will hit, X procedure will hit, and we know it very well. More than that, when we got ourselves engaged with our new partner Temenos, our concern was how to transform the bank and all of its procedure into a full new digital platform. This is a huge work. I need a huge team, and we cannot afford to have a huge team only for documenting this. When we sit with the team from GIEOM and from Temenos, we understand the relationship there, and we understand this is the best way to run the project. It is the best way to facilitate the training. If I have a person in remote area and I want to train him, I don't need to bring him to my area. I just use GIEOM, tutorial in GIEOM with the policies and procedure, and remotely I can make a full training through GIEOM. Plus, all institutions face a big problem while onboarding people. They onboard them, they put them in the seat, in the table, and they have to learn on the table, on the floor, if they are okay with the system or not. Now with GIEOM, we hire the person, he have to pass the test in GIEOM, whether it is computer testing related to the application he will use, or policies and procedure, or regulatory issue, or central bank regulation. All of it is available. It takes 1 month, 2 months of training, but when the staff go to his area, because of GIEOM, he's ready to work, not ready to learn. It's a big change for us. Everything becomes easier in relation to that aspect. Hopefully we see a new engagement between Temenos and GIEOM like we have seen previously. I believe that will be a strong partnership between Temenos and GIEOM, and I believe it will be a competing tool in the market. I have seen part of it, And I wish to, and I'm sure that we will implement the same, that the staff, when they use a sophisticated system like T24 Release 17, you have an icon called GIEOM. Whenever you get stuck, just hit it and you get the result. This is what's needed. We as management, we think of our strategical thing. The people who's doing the work need such tools. We are happy to have GIEOM as a partner with us. We know that we will evolve and we will share our ideas with GIEOM, and we will develop a lot of things, and we will be much happier when we see Temenos also with us here in our bank. Thank you.